And welcome back to my channel. And now I am need to download driver Lexmark this year for Surreal. You type here the driver download, and this is why I'm search the official website for you. I'm like download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And swipe this here for your the driver. Just click here for website lexmarks.com and website loading, and click here for the support. Click here for the title support, and this here for open the windows, and click here for the driver and download. This for the title, and this here for search your model the print, and this here for the tag automatic your operating system, and my operating system for the Windows 10. If you this if you make the operating system for the Macintosh, and this here for the type your operating system for the Macintosh. If you make the operating system for the Linux, and this here for the type automatic your operating system for the Linux. And if you this here for support you the driver, and this here for driver recommended, and support for the printer and scanner. If you need to download, you click here for button, and this here for support the all operating for the operating system for the Windows version, all version, and this here for the Windows 11 new version for Windows 10 support, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and this here for Windows Server support. And this video I am download for the Windows 11 and support for Windows. I am download for the support for Windows 11. Click here and click here download, and this one this here for the website loading, and this here for the driver download. If you need install a driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and this one finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here for your driver, you click next and you click finish. This here for your detect automatic your USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link, note below description of video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time the video.